Hello everyone, your teacher is back in his kitchen and today we're gonna cook Ginataang Pusit. Let's get started! First off, you need to soak your squid in vinegar and add to that salt and pepper, some bay leaves, and some garlic rather, not onions. Okay? And then put it on fire and let it boil. Cook it for about 2 minutes or less. You don't want to overcook your squid because they get tough. Alright, so the more cooked they are, the tougher they become. Alright, so about 2 minutes or less would be good enough because we will still cook this later. Then once that's done, separate the squid from the sauce or from the mixture and set aside. Now heat your pan, add oil to it. Once the oil is hot enough, then you can add your garlic, your ginger, and a little chili because this is good if it's a little bit spicy. Just my acquired taste because I've been in Indonesia for quite some time now. Alright, so stir that and let it saute for quite some time until the garlic is brown in color already. Alright, you should be smelling how fragrant this is now. I wish you're here and we can really smell it. I would love to welcome you in my home. Now that the garlic is cooked, we can add our onions. Okay, so just stir that and make sure that the onions are cooked through, well wilted. And then we can now add our squid, which we set aside earlier. Right? And so it goes to our pan and allow it to cook. Stir that for some time and cook it for about 2 minutes again. And then you must add, the secret to this is adding, there you go, fish sauce. Okay, because the fish sauce, although we added salt earlier, the fish sauce will definitely give it more of that seafood taste. Okay? Then season it with some pepper. Alright. Then add in the vinegar mixture we had earlier, the ones we used to cook the squid initially, and then add the coconut cream. The coconut cream will make this dish really delicious. You know, the marriage of vinegar and cream. Alright, something that I truly love. Okay, then just give it a bit stir and cook it some more until the taste of the cream gets to the squid. Now I need to thicken the sauce and reduce it, so I separated the squid again and let the sauce cook for some more. And when I think it's thickened enough, then I put back the squid to the sauce. Okay, gave it a bit of a stir, just about less than a minute of cooking. Just so the cream really gets into our squid, and then it's good to serve. It smells really good. And here's our Ginataang Pusit. It looks and smells really good. I hope you guys will truly try this. If you do, please tell me about it in the comment section. Of course, it's an Asian dish, so it's best served with rice. If you love this video, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys!